today I'm going to be showing you how to actually open up an online store on GM4E Marketplace, reselling the game keys which you have bought from GM4E in bulk. So first thing first, you will need to register as an online reseller. You will have to go here and then register as a vendor. Once you have done that, the next thing you want to do is go to your vendor's dashboard and then add a new product. So there will be two steps. The first step is to go to GM4E or go to your vendor's profile. Go to vendor dashboard right here. And then once you are at the vendor dashboard, you want to go to the products tab. And then you want to add a product. So in this case, once your account is enabled for reselling, go to the products tab under the vendor's dashboard. From here, add a new product. Add a product name. Let's say you're selling a Players Unknown Battleground, so you type in Player Unknown's Battleground or PUBG. Upload a product picture. Select a file. You do not have to worry about adding gallery images or getting the right resolution of the image, because GM4E.com will actually standardize all of the images of the product which the resellers are selling. So right here, if you're saying Players Unknown Battlegrounds, you just want to type in Player Unknown's Battlegrounds. You can set the price at the price you wish to sell at. It's in Singapore dollars if you are wondering. The discounted price, so the original price would be $34.99, but since you have actually bought Players Unknown Battlegrounds game keys from GM4E at a bulk, so you would have cheaper per unit cost for this game key. So perhaps you might be selling it at $27.99, and then you just want to select the category which this game key will be located at. So in this case, it will be under games on Steam, and then just enter a short description. These two boxes are optional because GM4E will actually standardize all of the information within the description box. And then create and add new. Click on this button right here, and there you go. Your product has been uploaded. Now it is pending a review. So GM4E will remove the pending review for those resellers who are verified and who had actually bought the game keys. So do not worry about this. Once you are a verified reseller on GM4E, we will remove this status of pending review, allowing resellers to upload immediately without any reviews needed. So moving on to step 2, this is more of an important step than the first step of adding the product into the marketplace. The second step requires you as the online reseller to deliver or fulfill the game key to your customers. So you have two ways to go about this. The first way is to go to this link right here to upload a product key. So in the instance where you have actually bought the Player Unknown's Battleground game keys from us, and you have received the game keys and you're selling perhaps 10 of these game keys, what you want to do is type in the platform which Player Unknown's Battleground is on. So it's Steam, the quantity of the codes which you are selling. So in this case, you'll be selling 10, for example. And then the product title, if you're selling Player Unknown Battlegrounds, just type in PUBG or Players Unknown Battlegrounds, and then type in the codes as such: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 XXX XXX. And then if you're selling 10 codes, you want to simply just copy and then paste the various codes or 10 of the different codes inside this field box right here. It's that simple. And method number two, if you do not wish to upload a product key into GM4E's automated key delivery system, you can actually manually deliver the keys to your customer's email address. Bear in mind, the customers will be needing to wait a specific amount of time for the key to be delivered upon their order, as compared to GM4E's automated key delivery system. So how GM4E's automated key delivery system works? Really simple. Upload the product game key which you have actually bought from GM4E into this fill box. Click on submit right here, and then the game key will be uploaded into our database, and then GM4E will do the necessary updating. And then whenever a new customer had actually placed an order for your PUBG game, that customer will receive the game key instantly on their order page without waiting, instantly. So the key will be delivered and showcased to the customer on the GM4E screen of the successful order page. This will reduce the reseller's workload and will remove the unnecessary waiting time for the customer, which they have to wait if the online reseller chooses to deliver the keys manually to the resellers. So that is all, and that is the simplest way for you to actually open up an online e-store in GM4E marketplace and reselling the game keys onto your marketplace and also fulfilling it.